Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is officially website gigabyte.com, and then right inside you can see this is search tab. To enter your model number B86 Gaming X WIFI6E, then hit enter. Click on product, then click on title. This is your motherboard, so click on support. Then select your operating system which is required. So if you are using any Windows 10 11, because installations process same, driver same. Okay, chipset driver, extract. So you can see this one and this one. Okay, processor unit driver, and click to download. It is downloading. So it is completed. Then open, double click to exe. After get require administrator rights to install, and then yes. Now this is extract first after it install. So this is installed, and then close it.